What are you going to do?
Don't know.
Well, there we are, everyone. 2 birds. And there is a cage.
You know birdie. There's some birdies, Ben. Look, up there.
Ooh.
Hey.
Hey, might go in.
Hey. What?
Well, at least we've had a bit of a fly about.
They don't know how to fly, they just don't know how to land. Get down then.
Ben, come down.
They struggle to land every time, haven't they?
Yeah, well,
They're not
they've
used
done
to it.
practice, haven't they?
Now, look at him on ropes.
It's a parrot on the pirate ship.
Pitty Polly. Dr. Hook, Captain Hook.
Think they'll go in there to get something to eat?
I don't know. Left her up. Well, we decided to put a bath in and we took roof off and they flew out.
Put a bath in? Oh, right.
Because it
Oh, you took the roof off?
Yeah, because it was the front door. But it was a long way down for my arm to reach out to this lid.
Oh, did you do it?
Oh, Dad was there as well.
I thought that was it.
But,
I don't want to set them off again. Anyway, this is their moment of fame on, well,
yeah, put them on YouTube, isn't it?
yeah.
Did you take that letter in?
Yeah,
You find alright? Did you say anything?
no. I thought I was picking something up.
Did he?
I had to wait for this other guy to come.